$847. That's how much I made renting my car on Turo for 30 days. Turo's marketing says, earn $1,000 per month with your car. I made $847. Pretty close. But then I calculated the actual costs. Depreciation, wear and tear, cleaning, gas, damage, insurance. I didn't make $847. I lost $259. Turo doesn't tell you about the hidden costs. The damage renters cause, the miles they put on, the headaches. I'm going to show you exactly what happened over 30 days. Every rental, every problem, every hidden cost. This is Motor Intel Report. What's up? This is Motor Intel Report. I'm John, and Turo is the Airbnb for cars. Rent out your personal vehicle and make passive income. Turo's marketing is everywhere. Earn your car payment. Make $10,000 per year. Turn your car into income. It sounds amazing. Your car sits in the driveway anyway. Why not make money from it? But is it actually profitable? I decided to find out. I rented my 2021 Honda Accord on Turo for 30 days straight. Tracked every penny. Let me show you the process. Starting with day 0, setting up my listing. I took photos of my car, inside and out. Turo requires at least 8 photos. Wrote a description. Clean, reliable 2021 Honda Accord. Bluetooth, backup camera, great gas mileage. Set my price. Turo suggested $59 per day based on my market. I went with that. Chose Turo's insurance plan. They offered different levels. I picked the 60 Premier plan. Turo takes 60% of each trip, but covers damages up to the car's value. Within 24 hours, I got my first booking. Renter requested 3 days. Trip total, $177. My cut after Turo's 60%, $71. First renter seemed fine. Good reviews. Verified ID, I approved it. Met him at a coffee shop. Handed over the keys. Felt weird giving a stranger my car. But okay, here we go. He returned it 3 days later. The car was filthy. Fast food wrappers everywhere. Stains on the back seat. I had to deep clean it before the next renter. Took it to a car wash for interior detailing. $35. First hidden cost, $35. Plus, he didn't refill the gas tank. Policy says renters should return it with the same gas level. He didn't. Cost me $23 to fill it back up. Week 1, I had 3 different renters. 7 days of bookings total. Gross earnings, $287. My cut after Turo's fee, $115. But the mileage was adding up fast. One renter put 200 miles on in 2 days. Another put 350 in 3 days. Week 1 alone, 680 miles added to my car. Week 2 is when things got expensive. A renter returned the car with a dent in the rear bumper. He claimed it was there before. It wasn't. I had photos proving it. I filed a damage claim through Turo. Turo requires you to get repair estimates. I got 2. Average, $420 to fix. Turo's insurance has a deductible. For my plan, it's $500. The damage was $420. Below my deductible. Damage cost, $420. Week 2, I had more bookings. 9 days rented total. Gross, $361. My cut, $144. Miles added, 830. My car now has 1,500 miles more than when I started. Total so far, 1,510 miles. Week 3. The smoking incident. A renter returned the car and it reeked of cigarette smoke. Turo's policy, no smoking. I charged a $250 smoking fee. Filed through the app. Turo mediated. Renter denied it. Claimed the smell was there before. I had to get an ozone treatment to remove the smell. $150. Turo reimbursed. $100. Week 3 bookings. 6 days rented. Gross, $246. My cut, $98. And my check engine light came on. I took it to the mechanic. O2 sensor needed replacement. Could have been coincidence. Could have been from renters driving hard. Who knows? $285 out of pocket. Week 4. Final week of the experiment. 8 days rented this week. Different renters. No major incidents.
Gross 307. My cut 123.
Miles added 700. Total 30 days 3,040 miles. Asterisk asterisk. All right, let's add up what I made over 30 days on Turo. Week 1, 115. Week 2, 144. Week 3, 98. Week 4, 123. Actually, total earnings. $580 after Turo's cut and the smoking reimbursement. Hold on, let me include all the other small trips I didn't mention. Final number, $847 for 30 days. But that's revenue, not profit. Now let me show you the costs Turo doesn't advertise. The costs they don't mention in their marketing. Deep cleaned 3 times after particularly messy renters. $35 each time. 4 renters didn't return it with the same fuel level. I had to refill each time. Cleaning, $105. Gas, $83. Damage, $420. Smoking, $50. Maintenance, $285. Depreciation, $304. Time, $400. Total costs, $1,647. If your car will sit at home for 2 weeks while you travel, rent it out to one person. Offset your vacation costs. Let's recap the 30-day Turo experiment. 30 days rented out of 30. 30 different renters. 3,040 miles added. Hidden costs, $1,247. Cleaning, gas, damage, smoking, maintenance, depreciation. If this just saved you from losing money on Turo, hit that like button right now. I rented my car for 30 days so you know the real numbers. Drop a comment. Have you rented your car on Turo? Did you make money or lose money? Share your experience. Subscribe to Motor Intel Report for more investigations exposing gig economy myths and hidden costs. This is Motor Intel Report. We expose what gig platforms don't tell you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next investigation.